All right, cool. So let's quickly dive into a quick overview on some of the stuff we're building at Slashdev. So I want to show you a little bit of information on how to build something like Asana. So currently we're building a task management system very similar to Asana. So when you look at Asana, you have different tasks. You can create a new task. You can assign a due date. You can assign users. You can go into that and create a subtask as well. You can create another subtask. You can assign people. You can do all the assigning. You can do notes. You can add comments. Really cool system for any sort of ERP application or anywhere where your teams are getting things done. And so I wanted to kind of quickly show you the architecture of what this type of system looks like. So if we look here, I've kind of taken the model from our backend and done a little bit of diving into kind of how this works. But essentially you have a table and you have all the tasks on that single table. So when we were first building this system, we were building a more simplistic version. We were working with JSON data for the tasks, and that doesn't really scale well. And so we moved more towards an SQL-based and Postgres single table where every single task, whether it's a subtask or a parent task, is on the same table. And you use a root and parent ID in order to differentiate. This means that if you are matching users, if you're setting a due date, if you're leaving comments, if you're tagging, you have all that same functionality across root tasks, subtasks, and then you have the tree structure of what is the parent task and what are all its subtasks. So I thought this was a nice architecture to highlight and a very common architecture you'll see for trying to build a system like Asana. And then we also have a beautiful front end like this built in React for handling all of this nice automation and task management system. So then, of course, you can rearrange this into things like a board, a calendar, and really coordinate everything that your company's doing. So that's definitely the recommended architecture, I would say, on the back end for building a task management system like this. And yeah, this is what we're doing for one of our clients in the storage industry right now.